Good evening all. Audio video clear? Please mention whether the audio video is clear. Good evening all. So welcome all of you. Welcome to this new free lecture series we are starting. Target June 2024 CSIR-NET exam. The first lecture for General Aptitude. ये सेशन सारा स्ट्रीम्स के लिए कॉमन है. लाइफ साइंस, मैथमेटिकल साइंस, फिजिकल साइंस, केमिकल साइंस and earth science, all streams. This session is a common session. Please invite all of your friends. All of you take an effort to share this link and invite all of your friends to be part of this live session. सबको invite करिए. CSIR-NET Aspirants, किसी भी CSIR-NET Aspirant के लिए ये lecture common है. Please invite all your friends to be part of this. Let more people join. This is a very special webinar where we will be discussing the syllabus of CSIR-NET exam in detail. And for the new people, my name is Christy Varghese. More about me is given here. These are the books I have written, and this book, CSIR-NET General Aptitude and New Outlook, is currently the bestseller book for Part A preparation or CSIR-NET General Aptitude preparation. और ये book Amazon और Flipkart दोनों में available है. इसका latest 7th edition. So that is about me, and ये session ये सारा streams के लिए common है. Please invite more people. We will wait for 2 minutes. Then we will start this session. And by that time, I will just let you all know about the new course we are starting. From February 12 onwards, we are starting 60 live lecture complete course for CSIR-NET Part A section. CSIR-NET exam के लिए complete course restart कर रहा है. Last 4-5 years I am taking complete course for CSIR-NET in different platforms. Now we are coming in Christy's classes, my own platform itself, Christy's classes mobile application. So this is the new course we will be starting in this starting CSIR-NET Part A complete course. 60 live lectures and recordings will be available for 1 year also. Recordings are available for 6 months also. 2 subscription plans are available. Complete theory, previous year questions, doubt clearing session, ये सब included है ये course में. And this is also for all science streams: life science, mathematical science, physical science, chemical science and earth science. Once again, please invite all of your friends to be part of this free class. If more people are there in the free class, I will be encouraged to take more free classes in the upcoming days also. And more about the complete course. This is all CSIR-NET aspirants can attend it, and for your other exam preparation also, ये course एक practice course जैसा useful होगा. ये कोर्स का स्ट्रक्चर ये है, 60 लाइव लेक्चर्स होगा और वो लाइव लेक्चर्स का रिकॉर्डिंग एक्सेसिबल होगा. 6 मंथ्स का प्लान है तो 6 मंथ्स, 1 ईयर का प्लान है तो 1 ईयर वो एक्सेसिबल होगा. और इसमें कंप्लीट थियरी डिस्कस होगा CSIR-NET जनरल एप्टीट्यूड सेक्शन का, एंड डिटेल्ड एनालिसिस ऑफ प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस ऑफ द लास्ट 12 years फ्रॉम December 2012 अप टू 2023 December एग्जाम. We will be discussing previous year questions also topic by topic in this course, और practice questions भी available होगा. हर क्लास के बाद PDF format में practice questions भी देगा, and speed math tricks भी इसमें included है so that you can do calculations faster. और इसमें एक classroom like experience मिलने के लिए we have added question and answer session after each class. That means in the live class itself you can ask the doubts after every class. और रेगुलर डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशन होगा. हर 10th सेशन डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशन होगा, मतलब टोटल 6 लाइव डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशंस होगा. और एक डेडिकेटेड टेलीग्राम चैनल और व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में यू कैन बी पार्ट ऑफ एंड आस्क योर डाउट्स डायरेक्टली इन द ग्रुप व्हेनेवर यू वांट, सो दैट यू कैन क्लियर योर डाउट्स दैट वे आल्सो. और इसके साथ फ्री स्टडी मटेरियल्स अवेलेबल है. टेस्ट सीरीज इसके पार्ट as part of this course, test series will be freely available. 50 study materials, 50 topic wise PDF will be there. For each topic study material will be available, and practice sheets भी available होगा हर topic के लिए. topic by topic practice worksheets भी available होगा, और 100 flashcards, online flashcards. All these are online study materials. 100 flashcards also available as part of this course itself. So and the live class timing 10 AM to 11:30 AM होगा. हर week 4 classes होगा, 4 classes per week, and the course will start from 12th February. So those of you are planning to attend the live course, join before 12th February in Christy's classes mobile application. Check the description of this video to find the details of it. और ये course English और Hindi just like this free classes, ये course भी English और हिंदी दोनों language use होगा वो course में. 60 lectures का schedule ये है, full schedule of this course. 54 theory classes or 54 lectures and 6 doubt clearing session, total 60 lectures, almost of 1.5 hours. That means total almost 90-hour class will be there in this course. Or to join this course, download the mobile application Christy's classes from Google Play Store, and in the store tab you can find the course and you can pay for the course and access this course. These are some of the reviews for the previous complete courses I have taken, and those people who are new to my classes, you can get more idea about the nature of the class from this from these reviews itself. PDF available होगा in the Telegram group. स्मिता, श्रद्धा, ये क्लासेस फ्री क्लासेस रेगुलर फ्री क्लासेस प्रोवाइड करने का प्लान कर रहा हूँ, बट इफ मोर पीपल आर इंटरेस्टेड, दैट इज व्हाट आई कैन से, क्योंकि मैं CSIR के लिए ही नहीं, UPSC गेट एग्जाम एंड अदर गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम्स के लिए भी क्लासेस दे रहा हूँ, और आई एम टेकिंग क्लासेस इन मल्टीपल इंस्टीट्यूट्स इन बैंगलोर. That is why very limited time I have as per my current schedule. That is why free classes will be there more if more people are being part of the free classes. That is what I can say. I will try my maximum to provide as much free classes as possible. That is what I can say. Already their free classes are available in the YouTube channel. None of them will be deleted. You can access those free classes and learn more general aptitude through that free classes also. Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get all updates. Happy man, the price will be 2000 for the course. Okay, so these are more free study materials available in our website, Telegram channel, WhatsApp group and mobile application Christy's classes. Either scan the QR code or check the description of this video. And free classes in this channel, there are many videos, almost 700 videos are there. GATE exam के लिए complete course, and after GATE exam many people told that the course helped them immensely. Some of you have GATE exam in the next week. All the best for those students also. GATE complete course बहुत ही helpful था. That is what many people told. So you people who want to refer that course can refer. CSIR के लिए free classes already दिया है. Go through these free classes. और UPSC CSIR के लिए भी free classes और speed maths के लिए भी free classes available है. Previous year questions सारा analyze किया है in these playlists. Go through it. New students who are completely unaware of where to find PYQs and all, check the playlist in this channel. There itself you can find almost all the previous year questions you want. Okay, so let us start. More people have joined, I guess. All of you, please invite your friends. Let more people join. And if you think that the session is useful, do hit the like button also. Okay, so आज का lecture होगा syllabus analysis. CSIR-NET exam, as you know, CSIR-NET exam में part A, part B और part C section है. Part A section is called General Aptitude. So CSIR-NET part A, CSIR-NET General Aptitude means the same. और CSIR-NET का official notification में this is what is told about the syllabus of CSIR-NET part A section. This part carry 20 questions pertaining to general science, quantitative reasoning and analysis, research aptitude. लेकिन ये बहुत ही वेग सिलेबस है ना, मतलब इसमें क्लियरली मेंशन नहीं किया है कौन सा चैप्टर लर्न करना है. दैट इज व्हाई आई हैव इलैबोरेटेड द सिलेबस इनटू 4 यूनिट्स. मेजर 4 यूनिट्स यू शुड लर्न. आई विल एक्सप्लेन. उसके पहले द कैंडिडेट शैल रिक्वायर टू आंसर ओनली 15 क्वेश्चंस. न्यू एस्पायरेंट्स 20 क्वेश्चंस होगा, उसमें से मैक्सिमम 15 क्वेश्चंस ही अटेम्प्ट कर सकता है, नॉट मोर देन दैट. यू कैन, as it is online mode nowadays, 15 क्वेश्चंस ट्राई करने के बाद यू कैन नॉट एक्सेस एनी मोर क्वेश्चंस. सो मैक्सिमम 15 क्वेश्चंस ओनली. और हर करेक्ट आंसर के लिए 2 मार्क और गलत आंसर के लिए हाफ मार्क नेगेटिव मार्क भी होता है. दैट मीन्स टोटल 30 मार्क आउट ऑफ 200 इज फॉर पार्ट ए सेक्शन. 30 आउट ऑफ 200. असैटॉल ये सिलेबस इतना क्लियर नहीं है, इसलिए ये सिलेबस को ऐसा 4 सेक्शंस डिवाइड कर सकता है. द सिलेबस कैन बी डिवाइडेड इनटू 4 सेक्शंस. quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, data interpretation, general science. These are the 4 units we can divide it into. Quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, data interpretation and general science. इसमें मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चंस आता है क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड टॉपिक से, सेकंड लॉजिकल रीजनिंग, थर्ड डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन एंड फोर्थ जनरल साइंस. Last 2-3 years general science questions are getting lesser and lesser and lesser. I am teaching almost 2 lakh CSIR-NET aspirants in the last 10 years. From that experience, I am saying the recent trend of CSIR-NET Part A section also, so that your preparation can be holistic and in less time you can get maximum benefit. That way I will train you. Okay, first I will give you an idea. ये 4 units क्या क्या है? What are these 4 units? Quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, data interpretation and general science. Once again I am telling, we are doing a detailed analysis of the syllabus. I will explain about how many questions from each chapter or which are the chapters. That also we will discuss in detail. These are the blueprint. I will come to the blueprint. Before that, I will give you an idea about these 4 units. ये क्या है? ये 4 units. Quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, data interpretation और general science. ये 4 units क्या है? That we will discuss. क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड क्वेश्चन का एक एग्जाम्पल है ये क्वेश्चन 2 years में रिपीट हुआ था, 2022 और 2014. All of you make a try. Very simple question from speed, distance, time chapter. Quantitative aptitude means a chapter where math and logic दोनों चाहिए ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने के लिए. Math and logic both are there. All of you make a try. 2 minutes I will give you to try. All of you try it and answer the question and mention it in the chat. Two minutes to try. All of you try. Dear physicist, we are trying. If more people are interested, we will plan for a gate paper analysis, memory based paper analysis. Just let me know, those of you are preparing for the next week gate exam, do you want a paper analysis of last 2 weeks? If so, we will plan for such a session, because I have to prepare for that. I have to first find the questions from students. Few students have sent me few questions, but if more questions are there, we will plan for that paper analysis. Some of you already got the answer. Very good. Okay, so I will explain this question again. Solving these questions are not the objective of today's class. To give you an exact idea of CSIR-NET syllabus overview is what we are trying to do in this session. So ये question speed distance time chapter का है. Speed distance time एक quantitative aptitude chapter है, क्योंकि इसमें math and reasoning, math and logic दोनों चाहिए. For example, ये देखिए 3 meter long car. Look at the situation. I have tried to make the slides as much understandable as possible. ये कार 4 मीटर वाला ट्रक को क्रॉस करना है. क्रॉस करना मतलब ऐसा ट्रैवल करना है ना, इसका लेंथ कवर करने के बाद कार खुद का लेंथ भी कवर करना है. द कार शुड ट्रैवल cover the length of the truck also. Car should cover its own length also. Then only the car will cross it. Na? Cross it means the entire length of the car should cross entire length of the truck. मतलब ट्रक का लेंथ 4 मीटर है और क्वेश्चन में लिखा है कार का लेंथ 3 मीटर है. सो क्रॉस करने के लिए कितना डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल करना है? 4 मीटर प्लस 3 मीटर 7 मीटर ट्रैवल करना है. 7 मीटर डिस्टेंस टू बी ट्रैवल्ड इज 7. और क्वेश्चन में लिखा है कार ट्रैवल कर रहा है 7 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्पीड में. इन द क्वेश्चन इट इज मेंशन दैट द कार इज ट्रैवलिंग एट 7 मीटर पर सेकेंड. द ट्रक इज स्टेशनरी. ट्रक इज नॉट मूविंग एट ऑल. So speed of truck will not matter because it is 0 meter per second. So the only speed or the relative speed is the speed of the car itself. Speed of the car itself. So 7 meter per second is the relative speed. Total distance is 7 meter. Relative speed is 7 meter per second. So time taken is the question. Time taken by the car to go past the truck. Time is equal to distance by speed. Distance is 7, speed is 7. So 7 by 7, 1 seconds. So 1 is the answer. So that is an example of a quantitative aptitude problem. All of you are clear what is a quantitative aptitude unit or what is quantitative aptitude problem means? Where math and reasoning both are there, that is called quantitative aptitude questions. So that is the first unit, quantitative aptitude. Now what all are the topics in quantitative aptitude? I will come to that. Before that, I will show you examples of logical reasoning, data interpretation and general science. First we will subdivide it into units, then we will again divide it into chapters, each chapters. So please try this question, June 2023 CSIR-NET exam question. Last 2 years questions I am showing you as examples. Pavitra, we will plan for more such sessions in the future about important topics and all. Darshana, currently only Android app is there. iOS app is not there, but if you want the course in iOS, there is another way. We will update it in the groups in some days, but it is easier to use it in mobile application, Android mobile app, Android phone itself. All of you try this, 2 minutes to try. All of you try this. An example of a logical reasoning or reasoning question. Some of you already got it. Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, so I'll explain. Choose the option that will make the following statement correct. The number of times a letter I occurs in this sentence is dash. मतलब क्वेश्चन क्या पूछ रहा है, ये सेंटेंस में लेटर आई कितना बार है, सो काउंट करना है. लेट्स काउंट. इफ वी काउंट आई, दिस इज एन आई, दिस इज आई, दिस इज आई, this is I, this is I. So that is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Some of you got 5 as the answer also, but 5 is a wrong answer. क्योंकि 5 answer है तो ये blank will be filled by the word 5. The blank will be filled by the word 5. मतलब ये 5 word also is part of the sentence. The word 5 is also part of the sentence. मतलब वो 5 का I भी काउंट करना पड़ेगा. You have to count the letter I in the word 5 also. Then only the sentence or statement is correct. Na? We have to make the statement correct. The objective is not to count the letter number of I's. Objective is to make the statement correct. Statement correct बनाने के लिए 5 आंसर नहीं हो सकता, because 5 आंसर है तो statement गलत है. Number of times a letter I occurs in the sentence is not 5 anymore. Then it is 6, because 5 का भी एक I है, that is total 5 plus 1 6 हो गया. मतलब 5 गलत है आंसर. 5 is not the answer. So 5 should be replaced by next bigger number is 6 na. If it is 6, 6 have a letter I in it, and that will make the count 6 itself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth I is in the word 6 itself. That is why option C, 6 is the answer. Yeah, these are some of the ways CSIR can trick you. 5 you will get, CSIR already know. That is why the option 5 will be present there. And this question was asked 3 times in 3 different papers. June 2023, मैथमेटिकल साइंस, केमिकल साइंस, लाइफ साइंस, ये तीनों पेपर्स में एक सेम टाइप क्वेश्चन था. This was the question I think in the mathematical science paper, and this you can try as homework or in the paper analysis. Again, those of you are new, we have discussed all these questions. You can completely access it completely free. You can access this in this playlist. September 2022 paper analysis, June 2023 paper analysis, and December 2023 paper analysis we did last month. All these are available in this YouTube channel itself. So almost all the important content is given free, but as a structured, ordered syllabus covering course, if you want to attend, I will recommend you to be part of our complete course starting from next week, because in less time you can learn maximum content. The time will be saved a lot. Through my YouTube channel also you can learn general aptitude. After last exam, CSIR and GATE exam, many students told, following my YouTube channel itself, they were able to do many questions correct and do very good, very well in aptitude. But if you don't want to like go around many playlists and find the relevant content, it is easier to attend the complete course, because it will be a more structured, ordered course. In less time you can completely cover CSIR-NET Part A, and more marks you can get in less time. That is the idea of that course itself. Yes, Aman, data interpretation का भी lecture available है. So this is the example of a question from data interpretation section itself. Try this question. Logical reasoning section example we have discussed. Quantitative aptitude we discussed. Now the third unit is data interpretation. Data interpretation का idea यह है, data provide होगा and you have to analyze the data and conclude something. The data can be provided in terms of Venn diagram, pie chart, histogram, table, scatter plot, etc. In data interpretation unit we will discuss more about the types of data representation tools also. So try this, all of you. Very good. Some of you already got the answer. In a class of 84 students, 29 failed in science, 43 failed in maths, and 17 students passed in both. Which of the following Venn diagrams is the correct depiction of the situation? So, 4 वेन डायग्राम्स दिया है, इसमें ये डेटा सेटिस्फाई करने वाला वेन डायग्राम कौन सा है? दैट इज व्हाट द क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग. 84 स्टूडेंट्स है, उसमें 29 साइंस में फेल हुआ, 43 मैथ्स पे, 17 पास्ड इन बोथ. मींस दोनों सब्जेक्ट में पास हुआ, मतलब फेल्ड इन नो सब्जेक्ट ना, एक भी सब्जेक्ट फेल नहीं हुआ, फेल्ड इन नन. passed in both and failed in none are same because two subject only. So दोनों पास हुआ मतलब किसी भी सब्जेक्ट फेल नहीं हुआ. मतलब ये वन डायग्राम फेल की पर्सपेक्टिव में भी हो सकता है, पास की पर्सपेक्टिव में भी हो सकता है. Let us understand with respect to, let us check with respect to failed perspective because 29 failed, 43 failed. So more data is about failed students. So 29 failed in science, 43 failed in maths and 17 failed in no subject. मतलब 0 subject fail हुआ 17 people, 1 subject fail हुआ, या 1 subject fail हुआ मतलब that we cannot say now. But science fail हुआ 29 and math fail हुआ 43. मतलब साइंस फेल्ड एक सर्कल है, मैथ फेल्ड एक सर्कल है, तो साइंस फेल्ड सर्कल में 29 वैल्यू होना चाहिए, मैथ फेल्ड सर्कल में 43 वैल्यू, और 17 कहाँ होना चाहिए, ये दोनों सर्कल के बाहर. द 17 शुड बी आउटसाइड दीज टू सर्कल्स. मैथ फेल्ड स्टूडेंट्स, साइंस फेल्ड स्टूडेंट्स, बोथ दो सर्कल्स आउटसाइड शुड बी failed in none value. So in these four options 5 5 5 this is impossible to happen. मतलब math fail, science fail, sorry दोनों 0 subject fail 5 नहीं हो सकता, 0 subject fail 17 होना चाहिए. मतलब option D में 17 है, that is the only possible answer. Did you all understood how we did it? These kinds of elimination techniques you should know. Elimination by analyzing the figure. So option D is the correct answer. So this is an example of a data interpretation question. Is it clear to all of you? Shivam, there is no minimum cutoff for CSIR-NET Part A section. More you get, more easy it is to clear the exam. That is the only thing. Math Sparkle, this course, this free lecture series happens in different timings. Sometimes, some days it is at 8 o'clock, some days it is at morning 10 o'clock. So you can subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Or be part of our Telegram group, WhatsApp group, or our mobile application Christy's classes. If you are part of any of our handles, you will get update of all our live free classes. So डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन का भी एक एग्जांपल दिया. अभी लास्ट यूनिट जनरल साइंस also we will see an example. All of you try this. This is an example of a general science question. Ashi Jain, in the complete course in our mobile application, the whole syllabus will be covered. That will be starting from 12th February. In the free classes itself, I have covered almost 70 to 80% of the content in the previous playlist itself. Go through that. Through that also you can learn General Aptitude. I'll get some water and complete this question, all of you. Okay, so this is an example of a general science question. How it is a general science question? If you look at the left hand side of this, AN implies S. AN implies S, EF implies I, GH implies M, and NS implies question mark. AN, if you reverse, you will get NA. What is NA? Na is sodium, na? SODIUM. First letter is S. Similarly, EF reversed is FE. FE is iron. First letter is I. GH reversed is HG. HG क्या है? Mercury है ना? Basic chemistry you learned in school. So NS reverse किया तो similarly SN मिलेगा. SN क्या element है? Tin. Tin का first letter T है, so option A answer है. This was asked in CSIR-NET 2015. लेकिन last few years में general science का number of questions बहुत ही कम है. One question आता है, sometimes 0 questions also. That is a frequency of general science in the last few years, last 3-4 years at least. So, but we cannot say CSIR will increase or decrease the number of questions, but comparatively it is a less important chapter, I can say. Okay, so all of you understood these 4 units. What are the 4 units? Now I will give you an idea about which all chapters, how much importance, or what are the different chapters in this 4 units. Quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, data interpretation और general science का 4 chapters क्या क्या है, that we will discuss now. So, okay, just a minute. Any doubts till now? Please mention. Especially new students. Many of you are my previous students, or those of you have attended my previous classes for GATE also, for CSIR also. But new students, अभी clear है ना? इतना तक clear है ना? Again, आज एक particular topic का detailed discussion नहीं है. सारा topics क्या क्या syllabus में क्या क्या है, और what all are the important topics, or how many questions you can expect, that all we are analyzing in detail. Okay, so no doubts. Again, if you are feeling this session is useful, do hit the like button and try to share this video to maximum people. That will help to grow this community in the future also. If more people are there, more such sessions can also be planned. So please try to invite more of your friends to be part of these sessions, or at least do hit the like button or do comment on this video. Because more the interaction, YouTube also will understand that this video should be shared to more people. So that way you can contribute to the reach of this video to more people. Okay, so this is the blueprint I have prepared for CSIR-NET Part A section. Quantitative aptitude, reasoning, data interpretation, general science में quantitative aptitude का topics है ये सब. These are the topics in quantitative aptitude. This many topics are there. I will give you an idea about all these topics. First of all, numbers or number system. Number system, 1 to 3 questions you can expect from this. 1 to 3 questions. Number system में बहुत सारा areas है. For example, again, I am not discussing any of these areas in detail. That we will discuss in upcoming classes. And these flashcards will give you more idea about it. We are planning for a series of flashcard videos also. Do let me know if you want such a session where we explain the important flashcards through videos itself. We are planning for that very soon. So, Amen, complete course in mobile app will be running daily. I mean 4 days in a week. Free classes in YouTube as much as I can I will do because I have many other commitments also, but as much as possible. That is why I am trying to provide already the recorded playlist in this YouTube channel. That itself will be enough for you to practice and all. But live class experience is definitely good and better. That I know. For that I will try to give you as much free classes as possible. Shivam, 30 out of 30 tak possible hai, but that is not the important thing. Maximum mark in minimum time, that is more important. So 30 out of 30 milna, that is not a big deal, or that is not a big thing. That is my opinion. Because 30 out of 30 milne ke liye, if you are spending 1 hour, that is totally no use. Because बाकी 2 hour काफी नहीं है subject part complete करने के लिए. क्योंकि 3 hour exam में subject part और aptitude दोनों complete करना है ना. That is why you have to get maximum mark in minimum time. So my opinion is how much you can try in aptitude section in half an hour or 30 minutes, that much only you should try. Remaining you can skip. Okay, so number system chapter में ये है major areas. Test of divisibility, types of numbers understand करने के लिए chair analogy useful होगा. We will come with what is chair analogy. We will discuss in an upcoming session or in our complete course. Yeah, yesterday in the last class also I told you this new complete course. I was preparing for this complete course for the last 4 months. Last 4 months I haven't started any paid course, because when a paid course is started, I want it to be best or better than any of the previous paid course of mine also. That is why I was preparing these flashcards. I was preparing the printed I was preparing the PDF content. Many of the content preparation was done in the last 4 months. That is why those of you are being part of the new complete course, you will experience a totally different experience, or that is what I feel about the new complete course. मीनू फ्री नहीं होगा, कंप्लीट कोर्स पेड कोर्स होगा. 2000 रुपीज इज द करंट प्राइस फॉर द कंप्लीट कोर्स. लाइव कंप्लीट कोर्स का प्राइस 2000 होगा. रिकॉर्डेड कोर्स फ्यूचर में स्टार्ट होगा, उसका प्राइस और भी कम होगा. सो लाइव क्लासेस का 12th Feb से लाइव क्लासेस वी आर स्टार्टिंग. श्योर मनीषा, आई विल ट्राई माई मैक्सिमम टू स्टार्ट इट एज सून एज पॉसिबल. सो डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ नंबर्स अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए ये चेयर एनालॉजी यूजफुल होगा. ये चेयर एनालॉजी के बारे में एक अगला सेशन में विल डिस्कस. एंड टाइप्स ऑफ नंबर्स, द टाइप्स ऑफ नंबर्स कैन बी समराइज यूजिंग दिस फ्लैश कार्ड ऑल्सो. Types of numbers is important, and arithmetic of odd and even or sum of odd number, sum of even number, ये भी important है, ये भी important है. So then factors and divisors, ये भी एक बहुत ही important area है number system का. नंबर सिस्टम चैप्टर का ही सब डिविजन है ये. फैक्टर्स एंड मल्टीपल्स, फैक्टर्स एंड मल्टीपल्स, और फैक्टर्स और डिवाइसर्स आल्सो वी कैन से. एंड उसका कंटिन्यूएशन है एलसीएम, जीसीडी और एलसीएम एंड एचसीएफ. एलसीएम एंड एचसीएफ, these are the summary of LCM and HCF, and how to find LCM and HCF is also given here. How to find LCM and HCF is also given here. Then another important aspect is perfect square का identification. 4 बार questions आया है CSIR-NET exam में. As I told, I am teaching CSIR-NET Aspirants for the last 10 years. वो experience है कौन सा topic ज़्यादा important और ज़्यादा trending है, that also is important to analyze. So perfect square last 4-5 years में questions नहीं आया है, लेकिन उसके पहले 4 बार questions आया था ये perfect square identification वाला. And another important area is last digit identification question भी important है. I think that flashcard is not there, not in this. So how to identify the last digit of a power, वो भी एक important topic है. And then arithmetic progression, geometric progression, AP and GP, ये भी number system का part है. Loss of exponents भी एक बहुत ही important area है. Loss of exponents का last year भी questions आया था loss of exponents का. And also, yeah, this is what I told, last digit of a power, last digit of power related questions also are frequently asked. Last few years maybe ये questions, ये type question आया था repeatedly. Now number system, different types of number system is important. Different types of number system, and how to convert number system, that is also important. So that are the major areas of number system. Number system itself we have categorized it into almost 16 sub areas. 16 sub areas. So number system से 1 to 3 questions normally आता है. Then we will discuss about probability and arrangement. Probability and arrangement means probability एक chapter है, permutation combination एक दूसरा chapter है. ये दोनों मिला के 1 to 3 questions आ सकता है. According to the trend of the last years I am telling, 1 question up to 3 question you can expect from this area. Permutation combination and probability मिला के. उसमें you should know the difference between combination and permutation, the formula, and when permutation should be used, when combination should be used. For example, when gifts are exchanged, that is permutation. When shake hands are exchanged, that is combination. Then fundamental principle of counting, very important concept. Now anagram problem का theory, selection problem का theory, table arrangement का theory, ये सब permutation combination में आ सकता है. Now probability का area है, तो probability का what all are the basic things in probability? what all are the different types of events in probability, and what is the definition of classical definition and analytical or theoretical definition of probability, and also the experimental definition of probability. ये दोनों का difference important है, और complement probability बहुत ही important है. So these are some of the areas of probability. So that is probability and arrangement chapter. Probability and arrangement chapter. Then comes, then we will discuss about मॉनिटरी प्रॉब्लम. मॉनिटरी प्रॉब्लम में सब डिविजन्स भी है. मॉनिटरी प्रॉब्लम में आता है प्रॉफिट लॉस डिस्काउंट क्वेश्चंस, देन सिंपल इंटरेस्ट कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट क्वेश्चंस. These are the two sub areas of monetary problem, money related problem. Or monetary problem can be asked without any formula or without any profit loss discount. It can be like plain situations given also. ऐसा भी questions आ सकता है. Monetary problem में profit loss discount related questions. उसमें why the classical formula you learned in school days is useless in competitive exam, that you should understand. Instead, if you know this logical ideas of profit loss discount, वो helps ज़्यादा करेगा to do questions in this chapter. And simple interest compound interest में भी formula है. कुछ question में formula help करेगा, I is equal to PRT by 100 और ये वाला compound interest formula. लेकिन formula से भी important ये formula का behind logic है. That is what you should understand. Many people just by heart formula, लेकिन ये formula के पीछे वाला concept learn किया तो और भी यूजफुल होगा, और भी फास्ट कर सकता है क्वेश्चंस. फॉर्मूला बाय हार्ट किया तो फॉर्मूला वाला क्वेश्चंस आना चाहिए. एक स्लाइट डेविएशन इन द क्वेश्चन आल्सो यू कैन नॉट आंसर द क्वेश्चन. बट इफ यू नो द कॉन्सेप्ट बिहाइंड द फॉर्मूला, you can actually do any questions or any situation you can analyze easily and solve the question. That is why try to learn the concept behind the formula rather than the formula. So this is the basic concept behind simple interest, compound interest. We will discuss this in detail in the new complete course. So that is about simple interest, compound interest and profit loss discount, that is monetary problem. One question normally comes. Last few years also one question minimum comes. It is not 0 to 1. Last 4-5 years it is 1 to 2 questions. 1 to 2 questions from this chapter. Okay, then we will go a little faster. This session is planned to complete in 1 hour, so we'll go a little faster. Next area is statistics or elementary statistics related chapters. Average, mean, median, mode. Average means mean. Mean, median, mode, standard deviation, variance, etc. उसमें ये important theory is summarized in this flashcard, and also अरिथमेटिक मीन, ज्योमेट्रिक मीन, मीडियन मोड, इस ये कैसा इवैल्यूएट करेगा वो इंपॉर्टेंट है. और स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन, हियर आई हैव गिवन द डिटेल्ड प्रोसेस ऑफ हाउ टू कैलकुलेट स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन, क्योंकि लास्ट फ्यू इयर्स में स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन का क्वेश्चन ज्यादा आ रहा है. दैट इज व्हाई वी हैव इंक्लूडेड मोर थियरी फॉर स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन एंड वेरिएंस आल्सो. एंड अरिथमेटिक मीन, वेरिएंस, स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन में क्या चेंज आएगा इफ ऑल वैल्यूज आर added or subtracted or multiplied or divided by a common number. ये भी important है. Again, last few years का trend के according we have added this theory also. So arithmetic operation by same value, what will be the change in average? So that is about average chapter. Last few years में average chapter means elementary statistics chapter. Elementary statistics chapter से questions आ रहा है. उसका कंटिन्यूएशन है मिक्सचर्स एंड एलिगेशन. एलिगेशन ट्रिक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. एलिगेशन ट्रिक लाइक ये क्लास में गर्ल्स का एवरेज हाइट 160 है, बॉयज का एवरेज 170 है, तो कंबाइंड एवरेज 166 है, तो बॉयज और गर्ल्स का रेशियो क्या है, ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछा तो एलिगेशन डायग्राम से इजीली कर सकता है. So that is one area of mixtures and alligation. Another area of mixtures and alligation is when a mixture, for example milk, you are adding some water, then replacing that with some water, finally how much milk and water is there, ऐसा क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. मिल्क वाटर के जगह कॉफी चिकरी पूछा था एक बार, गोल्ड कॉपर का पूछा था, बहुत 3-4 बार गोल्ड कॉपर का क्वेश्चन मिक्सचर्स एंड एलिगेशन में आया था. So that is also an important topic. Okay, we'll go a little faster. So that is mixtures and alligation. Then going to the next area, Speed distance time. Speed distance time में 3 सब topics we can say. One is basic speed distance time formula based question या average speed वाला question. Second is train problem वाला question. Third is bot and stream वाला question. Train problem वाला questions में ऐसा 6 scenarios possible है. Again, due to lack of time, I'm not discussing the theory in detail, but these are the 6 scenarios. And same way, bot and stream question भी पूछ सकता है. Bots and streams. Number of questions from bots and stream is very less compared to train problem, but train problem is repeatedly asked in CSIR-NET exam. So speed distance time में ये aspects है. Bots and streams का भी theory यहाँ पे दिया है. In case questions asked, we will try to prioritize, but we will try to even estimate that if a question comes from this area, you should be able to do. That way we have made this theory. So उसका एक continuation, speed distance time का एक extension है. Speed distance time chapter से different है ये, but इससे similarity भी है speed distance time और work and time का, क्योंकि instead of speed here there is something, instead of time itself, instead of distance here there is something. Work done is there is an analogy between work and time and speed distance time. Efficiency होता है यहाँ पे speed के जगह, and number of days is the time itself, and work means the work similar to distance. Again, more about that we will discuss in the work and time chapter. Anyway, that is also an area, but number of questions from work and time is comparatively less. Like once in 3 years or 4 years they ask a question from work and time. That is a frequency. Next, the most important unit or chapter is geometry. इसमें बहुत सारा टाइप और बहुत सारा एरियाज है. प्लेन ज्योमेट्री का ही बहुत सारा एरियाज है, लाइक पैरेलल लाइंस एंड ट्रांसवर्सल, पॉलीगन वाला कॉन्सेप्ट, पॉलीगन का सम ऑफ इंटीरियर एंगल, सम ऑफ एक्सटीरियर एंगल, ईच एंगल, डायगोनल्स का नंबर, ये सब इंपॉर्टेंट है. और स्पेशल पॉलीगन्स लाइक ट्रायंगल बेस्ड क्वेश्चन इटसेल्फ मल्टीपल टाइम्स क्वेश्चंस वर आस्क्ड. एंड ज्योमेट्री में बहुत सारा एक अनदर इंपॉर्टेंट एरिया 2023 दिसंबर एग्जाम में भी आया था, सर्कल रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस, सर्कल थ्योरम रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस. सो ये 5 थ्योरम बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस वर आस्क्ड. और ज्योमेट्री का एक्सटेंशन है मेंसुरेशन. मेंसुरेशन मतलब पेरीमीटर एरिया और वॉल्यूम रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस. पेरीमीटर एरिया और वॉल्यूम रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस वो 2D ज्योमेट्री में भी आता है, 3D ज्योमेट्री में भी आता है, प्रिज्म टाइप क्वेश्चंस भी आता है, पिरामिड टाइप क्वेश्चंस भी आता है. So yes, Shailendra, YouTube classes itself I have provided quality content. Again, I always try to keep the free classes also as much quality content as the paid classes, but the paid classes definitely, the good thing is that is more structured. With a particular objective we are starting the paid course, that is minimum time maximum learning, or maximum marks in minimum time, minimum time attending the class, maximum marks gaining, that also. And in exam hall, spending minimum time maximum mark students should be able to do. That is the objective of our complete course we are starting. So by attending that course you will be fully confident in aptitude section. And attending the course means not just listening to the course. What I am telling in the class you should be doing. Like when I am giving some practice questions, if you are practicing well with that, the study material provided, referring it well, and before the exam also some mock test and all if you do, definitely you can improve a lot in aptitude, and that will boost your confidence to clear CSIR-NET exam. और ज्योमेट्री का अनदर एस्पेक्ट है पाइथागोरस थ्योरम रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस. और पाइथागोरस थ्योरम रिलेटेड मतलब पाइथागोरस थ्योरम ये रीजनिंग में भी इंपॉर्टेंट है, डिस्टेंस एंड डायरेक्शन चैप्टर सोल्व करने के लिए. और ट्रिग्नोमेट्री लास्ट फ्यू इयर्स में ट्रिग्नोमेट्री वाला क्वेश्चंस आ रहा है, नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन लेस है बट क्वेश्चंस आ रहा है. सो ट्रिग्नोमेट्री आल्सो it is better to know at least sin, cos, tan values of 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Then another area है clock problem and calendar problem. Clock problem में these are some of the major theorems or theory you should know. And when hands of the clock will coincide, hands of the clock are opposite and hands of the clock are right angle, that are also important. Then calendar related problem also, questions were asked repeatedly in the last few years. Repeatedly means frequency is one question you can expect in an exam, either from calendar or from clock. So calendar में odd day, leap year etc is important. Odd day of month, odd day of days, odd day of years, all are important. That is about calendar problem. So these are the major quantitative aptitude areas. I have given you an idea about all the major areas of quantitative aptitude. Hope it is clear. Please let me know, those of you are watching me live, and those of you are watching me recorded, please let me know in the comments whether you are understanding. I want to connect with maximum people, so if you people can comment, that will be a good way that I can understand whether you are understanding the concept of, or if there is any suggestions also you can mention. And do hit the like button if the session is useful. So that is the quantitative aptitude areas. Now comes the reasoning area. Reasoning mein, like total number of questions, 5 to 7 questions you can expect. Sometimes even lesser questions were also asked. Reasoning mein major areas ye hai. One is series completion or series formation question. Number sequence wala question. Number sequence wala question. Letter sequence या letter series वाला question. Letter series वाला question. Coding decoding वाला question. Coding decoding वाला question. Blood relation वाला question. How to draw blood relation tree. Statement related question. Converse, inverse, contrapositive, truthity, falsity of the statement, etc. Then pattern completion. This last year 2023 December, in most papers there were questions related to this pattern completion, or another name it can be called spatial aptitude. In GATE exam it is called spatial aptitude normally. But what type का question अभी CSIR में ज़्यादा आ रहा है compared to previous years, especially December 2023 exam में ज़्यादा question मतलब हर पेपर में minimum 1 question था, some पेपर में 2 questions भी था. And data interpretation. Finally coming to data interpretation, types of graphs are important. Constant graph, square roots, square, linear, exponential, etc. Logarithmic graph related questions also last few years they are asking. Mathematical graphs. Then data interpretation में bar chart, histogram, pie chart, line graph, line plot, table, etc. related questions are frequently asked. And these are some of the tips to solve data interpretation questions. So these are the major areas. Please let me know, did you get an overall idea, the detailed analysis of the syllabus? Again, today's session, that was the only objective, to analyze syllabus of CSIR-NET Part A section in detail. In the upcoming class, I will teach you how to prepare for CSIR-NET Part A effectively. Through the free content itself, how to prepare, I will tell you, and through the paid course, how to prepare, that also I will teach you. I will tell you in the upcoming class. And about the paid course, definitely that course will be very well and a very good course, because I am trying my maximum to make that course a next level experience. That is why I have developed more flashcards, especially for that course itself. So those of you want to join the course can join. In the link in the comment section, the link is given, and in the mobile application you can find more details also of the course. So the current live course is starting from 12th February. Recorded version of this, recording only version of this also will be available, but that will be available at least after 1 month only. Once the recording will be completed, then only we can start that course. So if you want to be part of this live course, this is more details of it. If you want any more information, the contact number is also given here. So sure, Aman, we will plan for such a session in the future if possible. All of you who attended this session, if you felt this session is useful, do hit the like button and do comment on this video, because this is a first lecture we planned, or we are starting for June 2024 CSIR-NET exam. So hope all of you like this session. If so, do let me know. If there is any suggestions or any anything you want more in the upcoming classes, do let me know. Tomorrow also there will be a free class. We'll update you the timing. Most probably it will be evening timing itself. So that's it. And for GATE exam, if you want more paper analysis session, do let me know that also in the comment section. So that's it. Yeah, if possible, those of you are watching me recorded, if possible, please mention which science stream you are preparing CSIR-NET exam for, to get an idea of the crowd who is attending these free classes. Try to post just the subject like life science, mathematical science, or physical science, chemical science, etc. And those of you want the printed study material for CSIR-NET, the book for CSIR-NET, this book you can purchase from Amazon and Flipkart. I am the author of this book, CSIR-NET General Aptitude and New Outlook. This is the latest 7th edition. Thank you so much, Kamari. Thank you for the good words. So I think let's conclude here. Meet you all on the tomorrow session. And if you don't want to miss any of the updates, do subscribe the channel, do hit the like button, and do share this video to maximum people. Okay, mathematical science students, chemistry students, life science students, many of almost all streams are here, right? Okay, yeah, do comment which stream you are, so that I get an idea maximum people are from which stream. So thank you, take care, bye bye. And if you are attending the paid course or not, do let your friends who want to know where to attend a paid course, or where to attend a complete course, or where to get full training for CSIR-NET Part A, please share this details to them. In the description of this video, in the comment section also, I have tagged the link of this course. So thank you, take care, bye bye, have a good night, see you all in the next class, bye bye.